CEMNAZ Machinery, a leading company in the installation of potato processing facilities, is increasing its machinery exports day by day. Today our machine is on its way to our investor in Libya. All machines and parts for the frozen potato processing plant, to be established by Turkish investors in Libya, a beautiful country on the Mediterranean coast, are produced by CEMNAZ Machinery. The potato washer, potato peeler, potato slicing and dicing machine, potato frying and boiling machine, cooling units, and IQF freezers, manufactured at our facilities in Antalya, have been loaded onto trucks and are en route to Libya. If you want to invest and start a business in the field of potato manufacturing, you are in the right place. You can be assured that CEMNAZ Machinery will be your best business partner by producing, installing, and operating all the machinery your plant needs with high quality. Please contact us immediately for feasibility studies and pricing. Our expert engineers will design the machines suitable for your needs and send them to you after pricing them according to your budget.